Midge? Barbie. I haven't seen you in, how have you been? I'ma need you to move this truck. No, Midge. I have permission to park here. I don't think you do. This is my spot for my line for my truck. You see, I hand out food and supplies to the homeless. So if you will be a doll and please move. No, I won't. Look, Midge, it's good to know you give because I also started my food truck for the homeless business. And maybe, typical Barbara, love copying after me. Ooh, copying? I don't think move this truck before I have it moved.